Hey everybody, well we're right back at it. Everything has been pretty dry and pretty warm out for the last couple of weeks, so finally found myself some free time, and today we are doing more of the same and moving trash. So we got these two piles right here, as well as another pile of stuff right there that I'd like to carry out of here, but rather than doing it by hand, which would be a major pain, because we got to go all the way back down there to that building, I have something to show everyone. So 1 second, we'll be right back. And here it is, our very own trash train. So rather than carry the junk from all the way down there where my car is, all the way to my car, which is all the way down there, I have been allowed to borrow this little speeder flat we weren't using. Added a quick, just a quick bit of decking and this pusher bar. So now, well, let's see, there we go. Now we'll be able to move all of this trash down there a lot more easily than before. So before we do that, we did get a lot of snow here in December, so I'm going to go into the car and we're going to get a couple more actual bags of trash this time around. And I got something to show you guys. Because of the snowfall we got, something shifted around in the car and one of the internal walls I was actually able to move. So we have access now to one of the middle rooms, which is awesome because it's one of the only places I haven't been able to get to and one of the places that I need to get to. Right, so like I said, one of the internal wall panels here came off, and we can now get access to this room. So a lot of junk, but because we have room now, we'll be able to get in here and start cleaning. So today the goal is to just start basically chucking some of this out through the window. So once again, I have made a mess. We started getting some stuff out of the room, 2 trash bags, big old piece of wood, making more of a pile outside that I'll need to get rid of. But as you can see, it's all just material from the roof that collapsed inwards when this car was caught on fire. There is an air tank, interestingly enough. It's inside, which is a bit odd, and there is a bed frame. So I think, well, one of the stories I've been told recently is that when the car was put into maintenance of way service, some point in the 60s, this was the cook's sleeping quarters as well as kitchen, hence all the kitchen stuff behind me. And it was actually used in 1962 to help clean up a wreck of Northern Pacific's something limited. 1962, but I did find pictures of it from 1962. Also contacted the people over at the Minnesota Historical Society and dug through their online records, found some info on it there, and ordered that. So hopefully that'll be arriving sometime in the next 2 weeks. As for the rest of this today, well, I did not come prepared with a shovel or really any, well, I mean, I got my whole container of trash bags, but this is really going to require a shovel and a lot more doing. I think I might call it here for the day. The fact that we can get in here is absolutely fantastic. And that the floor seems mostly all right to walk on, and that all of this can be cleaned up. Oh, and before anybody worries, that is fiberglass insulation, so nothing to be concerned about there. But beyond this, there is one more room further in, and we'll have to figure out a way to get in there at some point as well. So thanks for tuning in today. Sorry it's been a month since the last video. Probably going to be putting out a little bit more of those model train stuff, just because it's that time of year and it's supposed to start getting cold and rainy again, so I don't know if I want to come out and do this when it's all nasty out. But thanks for watching today, and I'll have some more videos out soon. Bye bye.